Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make different sorbets step by step. First, select your favorite ripe fruits, like berries or mangoes, and wash them well. Next, you'll create a simple syrup by combining equal parts sugar and water, heating until the sugar fully dissolves. Allow this syrup to cool completely before mixing it with your prepared fruit. This initial chilling step is crucial for achieving the best sorbet consistency later on. Once your simple syrup is cool, combine it with your fresh fruit in a blender until smooth. For an extra smooth sorbet, consider straining the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove any pulp or seeds. This step is optional but highly recommended for a professional finish. A squeeze of lemon or lime juice can brighten the fruit's natural flavors, adding a delightful tang to your sorbet. Now it's time for the magic. Pour your chilled sorbet mixture into an ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions, typically for 20 to 30 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it reaches a soft serve consistency, thick but still pliable. Immediately transfer this freshly churned sorbet into a freezer-safe, airtight container to prevent ice crystals from forming. For the best texture, freeze your sorbet for at least 2 to 4 hours, or until it's firm enough to scoop easily. When you're ready to serve, let it sit at room temperature for a few minutes to soften slightly. Enjoy your refreshing, homemade sorbet. Remember to check the description below for links to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you hydrated and happy. It's perfect for enjoying your sorbet on a warm day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.